Hi guys, Ian Global Air Supplies down at One Stop Mechanic Store. I'm going to go through what the best extraction fan for you is. So you've got the Revolutionfun. The Revolutionfun is a great introductory fan. It's cheap, it moves quite a bit of air. It's not as good as the rest of the fans, but it's relatively well priced for a beginner. Then you move on to the RVK. Everyone knows what an RVK is. It's designed by System Air, the massive company in Germany. You've got an EBM motor in there. It's relatively cheap, it moves a lot of air under pressure. This is a great fan for your next step up. These two fans are AC fans, that means alternating current. Bulletproof fans, they'll run forever, but they're relatively expensive to control, where you've got the new technology, which is the EC fans, which move a lot more air and are a lot easier to control. If you're wanting to step up from AC fans, the next fan up is the Hyperfun. Don't be fooled by its size. It's a fantastic fan, works fantastic under pressure and moves a hell of a lot of air. It's really easy to control because again, it's electronically commutated. It means you can turn it down without the grumbling and the noise that you normally get from an AC fan. You've all heard this fan, you've all heard them rumbling and the grumbling. They make a lot of noise and a lot of vibrations. Where the EC fans, even at really, really low speeds, we have no vibration and there's no rumbling from the fan. Then you go to a Revolutionfun. The Revolutionfun, again, in my opinion, is the best fan on the market. It's a System Air fan, so it's got an EBM motor, it's got directional airflow, so the air coming out of there will travel down the ducting a lot smoother and basically making no noise around the ducting. Becoming AC and EC, so basically we have both variants in this one. EC again, electronically commutated, really easy to control, and the controls are really cheap. AC, you need a step control or something like that to stop the fans from buzzing. These two versions also come in a silenced housing, so if you really want to make them quiet and you want to take that extra bit of noise off, the silencers reduce the noise by about 10 decibels, which is quite a lot. Any more information on these, pop down to a one-stop stores, jump on the website, look at the blogs, all the information's there. Cheers guys.